Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Musthafa. I am from Sudan. I came here to Aster Medcity in Cochin. We came here for medical medication for my mom and my father. They have very good services, and they provide a complimentary pickup vehicle from the airport to the hospital. Actually, it is not a hospital, it is a medication city. It's a very amazing place. The nature, the infrastructure, the doctor, and they provide a very good services. And number one service, they give wellness checkup. After taking the first checkup in the early morning, they provide both services to see the nature in the river around the hospital and the beautiful view. This is a very, very good hospital and very good service. I recommend everyone to come here, Kerala, Cochin, and Aster Medcity, one of the biggest, and for me it's number one in the world. Thank you very much.